In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite and work with guests in ClickUp. If you collaborate with clients, contractors, or partners outside your team, guests are the safest way to give them exactly the access they need. Nothing more, nothing less. We'll walk through opening the share menu, inviting by email, and inviting with a copy link, along with helpful tips to keep your workspace organized and secure. Start by opening the item you want to share in ClickUp. This can be a task, a list, a folder, or even a doc, depending on what you want your guest to see. Look toward the top right of the screen for the Share option. Clicking Share opens a panel where you control who gets access and what they can do. A quick best practice here: share at the smallest level that still makes sense. For example, if a guest only needs one task, share just that task rather than an entire list, which reduces noise and protects unrelated work. Next, invite by email. In the Share panel, type the guest's email address into the invite field. Choose the permission level that matches their role. View only if they just need to follow progress. Comment if you want feedback without edits, or edit if they'll be actively updating fields, subtasks, or docs. Depending on your plan, you may see more detailed toggles to allow attachments, resolve comments, or assign tasks. Set these intentionally to match the collaboration you expect. Before you send, double check you're sharing the correct item, confirm the permissions, and, if available, add a short note so the guest knows what to focus on when they arrive. You can also invite by copy link. In the same Share panel, enable link sharing if it's not already on. Pick the appropriate permission level for link viewers, then copy the link. Share it through a secure channel your guest actually uses. Keep in mind that link access can be broader in scope, so use it when convenience outweighs the need for strict identity-based control. If the content is sensitive, email invites are usually the better option. Once guests are in, collaboration becomes straightforward. They can open the shared item, leave comments, upload files if allowed, and, with the right permissions, make edits. Use clear descriptions, due dates, and at mentions to guide their attention. If priorities change, return to the Share panel anytime to adjust permissions or remove access, ensuring your workspace stays clean and secure. That's it. Click Share, invite by email, or invite by copy link, and you're ready to work smoothly with guests in ClickUp.